Welcome to Love to Travel, your ultimate travel companion offering a vibrant blend of travel modes, destinations, and experiences. Join us today for an afternoon exploring Mijas Pueblo. Located on southern Spain's Andalusia region lies one of the jewels of the Costa del Sol, the beautiful little mountainside village of Mijas Pueblo. It is considered to be one of the most beautiful Pueblo Blanco villages of the region. The mountain village of Mijas is located in the Sierra de Mijas mountain range, halfway between Malaga and Marbella. One of the most interesting attractions in Mijas is the Chapel of the Virgin Mary of the Rock. It was excavated out of rock by the Carmelita monk halfway through the 17th century. Inside the chapel is the image of the Virgin of the Rock, patron saint of Mijas. This chapel sits on a natural viewpoint known as El Campas, on a ridge overlooking the most spectacular views of the region, countryside, and the coast beyond. Mijas is famous for its burros taxi or donkey taxi, which is a typical scene in the village. Whitewashed houses gleam along the steep, narrow streets of Mijas Pueblo. The layout of the town is an unmistakable reminder of its Arab past, with white houses, ironclad windows, and colorful pots with flowers. A tour through its lively streets reveals a typically Andalusian town steeped in history and full of charm. This pueblo dates back to Roman times. It was known as Tavnisa in Roman times. Mijas was captured by the Arabs at a quite early stage of the Moorish invasion, believed to be 714. It was the Arab leader who changed the Roman name of Tavnisa to Mixa, which was turned into Mijas when the Spanish reconquered the town. The Plaza de Toros is home to the smallest bull ring in Spain. Built in 1900, it stands on one of the highest parts of the pueblo. The town has a living museum in its streets with the remains of the Arab defense wall that was part of the fortress that was almost completely destroyed in the Reconquest. Part of an Arab fortress that was once the prominent feature of the Mijas Pueblo, the wall that still surrounds the village of Mijas makes up a significant part of the charm that this Costa del Sol village offers. Rich in history, it also offers some of the best panoramic views in southern Spain, complete with mountain and sea views dotted with classic whitewashed village roofs, and on a clear day views all the way to Gibraltar, Africa, and beyond. This wall, or La Muralla in Spanish, is also home to the Mijas botanical route, filled with stunning natural flora and fauna. The beauty of Mijas doesn't end at the wall that surrounds it. The greater Mijas municipality extends to the sea and is one of the wealthiest in the Malaga region. It is home to a number of acclaimed golf courses, soft sandy beaches, historical sites, and the gorgeous natural hills and valleys. Mijas is not just a town, but also the beautiful surrounding mountains known as the Sierra de Mijas, a natural paradise. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures and travel hacks. Let's fuel our wanderlust together and make every journey unforgettable.